The NXT5 is a smart battery charger designed for both smaller batteries, like those in motorcycles and snowmobiles, and regular car batteries. To charge your vehicle battery, connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal or a suitable earth point on the chassis. Check your vehicle manual for the correct connection points. When plugged into a power outlet, the NXT5 starts automatically. If the clamps are connected incorrectly, the red error indicator lights up, and the charger's reverse polarity protection prevents any damage. The clamps are also spark-free, so accidental contact is safe. By default, the charger starts in the car program for standard lead-acid batteries. Press the mode button to switch between AGM for batteries requiring higher voltage, recond to restore and recondition lead-acid batteries, lithium for lithium car batteries. To charge smaller batteries, press the mode button again to select the motorcycle program, then cycle through the same modes adapted for smaller capacities. The NXT5 remembers your last selected mode, even after unplugging. If a lithium battery has shut down due to undervoltage protection, indicated by a flashing power LED, press and hold the mode button for 10 seconds to manually wake it up. Once you have selected a charging program, it will start automatically. When the check LED lights up, the NXT5 tests the battery condition and restores capacity by removing sulfates. When the charge LED lights up, the NXT5 will start the charging process. Once the battery is fully charged, the care LED will light up. The NXT5 can be left safely connected to the battery for long periods of time, as it automatically switches to maintenance mode without overcharging the battery. Now you know how to operate the NXT5 to take your charging to the next level.